We all know basic photography triangle, shutter speed, aperture and ISO, and how it needs to behave and collaborate in order for you to have proper exposition for your photographs. But today we are going to talk about street photography triangle. Hello, my name is Martin and welcome to my channel. This one is not replacing the old one, it's actually, let's say, stage 2 on your way to capture proper photographs, what you actually desire them to be. These three aspects are actually what makes us to do photography in the first place. First point is light. Nice beam of light, sunset and golden hour, artificial backlight or street lights in the night, you name it. This is the most obvious one and the one which catches our eye most often. We see beautiful lighting in the scene and we just want to take photograph of it. Second is composition. Not everyone likes rules of composition, but quite frankly, first we need to know the rules in order to break them. We can see nice framing, leading lights, rule of thirds. Some of us, not me, maybe even the golden ratio. That's why actually we love good composition, because the scene with the good composition in it is actually breathing the balance, is harmony. And third one is the moment, story of your picture, life that you decide to give to your picture by capturing it. Timing in this regard is crucial. We all need to practice and master our eye and all our senses in order to see these moments coming, to anticipate them. Well, and why did I put all these three in the triangle scheme? Because all these three, light, composition, timing or moment, are crucial for street photography. This is backbone or what we actually try to do. Let's see it's like a scoring game. 3 points is 100% of your potential. If you score 1, it's fine, it's good picture, there is something interesting. If you score 2, it's super great. But if you score all 3, this is just amazing. Just imagine you get great lighting in a park. You have a kid running and playing, and they just won the game and they are celebrating it. And then above them, you have just arc of trees, which is framing your picture. Bam! And you have your perfect picture. Moment, light, and composition. Just quickly to show you what I meant by this, I will show you some picture of my Instagram and I will just quickly go through what I meant by this triangle. So in this picture we got a nice moment, guy running. Of course this photo was more about technique, I was trying this panning technique where I match my speed of shutter with the speed of the subject, so everything looked blurry. And yeah, it's moment heavy, all these pictures. And yeah, composition is not the right, anyway I cut it for Instagram, but you see this is more moment. There is kind of nice lighting, but it's more moment. Second one is actually on the street, it was kind of street festival. This is also, I'm more like moment capturer. So this I like because of the moment, but let's see, the lighting is interesting because you have both poles, you have like blues and reds. You have interesting moment because the guy is sitting on traffic lights, she has nice light on her face. And composition, let's say it's some kind of rule of thirds, but yeah, again, moment heavy photo. Second one, I chose this picture because the light was nice. So let's say in this picture, let's give points for light. Okay, about moment, she's looking, she's gazing somewhere in the future, but there is not really moment. And composition, let's say, okay. Next picture again, yeah, it was just a fisherman with a nice tattoo on his back, so I tilted the camera to make it kind of interesting, but mostly it was because of his tattoo. And the last one, yeah, this is almost an abstract, but the lighting is there because it was beautiful sunset, it was golden hour, it was amazing. Actually, this is photo from one of the POV videos I did on the channel, so you can check it later. I will put it in the description down below. And actually, what I like about this that it has hidden everything, So the lighting is there. Composition, yeah, because it's interesting and it has, let's say, even maybe golden ratio because it has kind of spiral. And for the moment is kind of like secondary because I didn't capture the moment of the people who actually eat all those pizzas, but actually that they stack them, I saw it quite interesting because I never saw someone stacking on a trash can, you know, the pizza boxes like this, and it aligned quite nicely. You see, the second photo was not the most interesting, but here when you see the side of the which is enlightened and the side of the shadow, I don't know, sometimes we just try our best and we experiment. So next time you are going outside, keep an eye for all these three: light, composition and moment. If you find one, try to keep an eye and look, continue looking if there is the other one. And my golden rule for me personally is to try to have at least two of those in the picture. And yeah, sometimes you catch something and it's like a scratchbook for you, you know, you try, you have a timestamp, you have the place, and you just try the angles. But if you try to catch at least two, we are talking now, you know, you have at least something going on. And yeah, if you catch all three of those, you have something visually nice, which is lighting and composition, and you have also story. And actually composition is between both of those, because if you change sometime composition, you can get more or less in the frame, and you can actually decide what is actually narrative of your pictures. So you have visual, light, you have storytelling or moment, and in the middle is composition, which you can actually decide about this moment if you include more in the picture or less. You know, you want to have it cleaner, more visually pleasing, or you want to have it more heavy on the story. It's for you to choose. So keep an eye on all those three, and thank you very much again for tuning in with me. And if you have any comment for ideas for next videos or maybe some experiments, let me know down in comments below, and have a nice time. See ya!